So my name's Tim, my company is TLC Window Cleaning, and it's been running about 20 years. I've been window cleaning for about 23, 24 years in the Suffolk area, and we've grown over the years to cover all of East Anglia, London, Kent, that general area. So we've got a small team in the office that organise the guys out on the road, and we cover domestic and commercial, and a bit of industrial we're getting into more, pressure washing. We're excited to be here today to pick up our roof wand. We've been getting involved in roof cleaning for a few years commercially, but we saw a little gap in the market with domestic roofs locally to Suffolk and Essex. So the roof wand's a perfect fit for us because it means we can send a single operative out without the use of access towers or cherry pickers, and I think it's something our existing customers are really going to enjoy. They're going to like that, and it's something that we can perhaps educate the wider public that it's a service that's available. We've had a really good response so far, so we're excited to do some of our first jobs with our new roof wand. So I found out about the roof wand through a friend, and then I went on the Inox site, had a little look, but I wasn't convinced really until I saw it in the flesh. So we arranged to come on the course. We went out with Steve, went out for the day with him, or the morning with him, to do an actual job. That was really helpful to see the practical aspect, the practicalities of using it, how effective it was, and just managing the site, manoeuvring the site, and we could really visualise how it was going to work. Then we came back here for the afternoon and we got involved with all the theory side of things, how that would work from a business point of view, and then we discussed some of the soft washing aspects. So it was a really good taster session really of how you can really make the roof wand work from a business point of view, and to see it up close and in person was really important, to sort of have a play with it, have a feel of it, and see if that was something that would work for your setup, which it did. So we made the decision to buy. We came back, we got a full tutorial on how to use the machine, how to set it up, how to operate it, and how to do a bit of care for it. And that's going to be really helpful going forward. Gives us the confidence to go out and do those first jobs with the roof wand. We've got quite a big customer base already, so we first of all sent an email shot out to see what interest there'd be in this new service. We got a pretty good response back actually from a lot of our existing clients. We're then going to follow that up with letters. We've got a little leaflet designed, and then we're going to pursue that with neighbours of existing customers or jobs that we've done, because they're going to be able to see the before and after, the difference. And I think that's going to generate quite a lot of business for us over the next few years.